Now there's
I wasn't there
more,
for this. Yeah.
It's multiple more lawsuits against Mayweather now. So Mayweather has a criminal case now. Clark County prosecutors filed 2 felony charges: theft of $100,000 or greater, and drawing or passing a check with the intent to defraud $1,200 or greater. It says investigators claim Mayweather wrote $200,000 check from his Wells Fargo account to high-end boutique Gold and Beyond on December 31st, 2024. So this nigga did on New Year's Eve, December 2024.
Oh, the bank closed. He said, I'm going to get this shit off.
knowing he lacks insufficient funds or credit. It says, if convicted, the felony theft charge carries a potential prison sentence of 1 to 20 years. Mayweather did not physically appear for his June 2026 preliminary hearing, but was represented by his defense attorney. So that's one. Then I'm gonna let you jump into sleep. The second one is a CSI Sports Events lawsuit. Promoters filed a lawsuit in New York claiming they paid Mayweather $4.65 million in advances for exclusive rights to super fights against Mike Tyson and Manny Pacquiao. CSI alleges he breached his deal to pursue an exhibition match in Greece and other streaming arrangements. So, and then he also owes taxes. IRS debt. The IRS filed a federal tax lien against Clark County, Nevada, for $7.3 million in unpaid taxes from 2018 to 2023. Reports show Mayweather has borrowed heavily against his properties, private jet, and Las Vegas strip club to secure estimated $54 million in loans to maintain cash flow.
Okay, so
there you go. That's set to the tap.
That's a lot. Okay, so I never like talking bad about black people for real. Because I really don't. Like, I really, really don't. And
he is MAGA, though.
He is, and you know how I feel about them niggas. So karma is real. And anybody that align with Trump is already kind of shady to begin with. So all rich people are kind of shady. Let me just say that now. Mm-hmm. To be rich, you got to have a certain level of shady. I ain't nowhere near rich. And I've done some shady. So I know if I was.
I know what you done did.
I know what you done fucking did.
He said,
I'm moderately successful. I'm not even, like, it's very moderate. And I've done some things where I've been like, well, I should have did that. Or I shouldn't have cut that corner. But you do what you got to do. It's a dog-eat-dog world. Writing a check for $200,000 right before New Year's.
It's diabolical.
I thought he would say what I would have done if I was him is I would have wrote that check, wore that shit to the New Year's Eve party,
and then
returned it.
No. So it means even worse though. The actual dude did, like, he got fucked up on the check. He was like, "Hey man, just bring it back to me." And Floyd,
I know
so you know the rest of the story.
He went super nigga.
Yeah.
What did he do? He ain't take it back.
He just wouldn't take it back, and he wouldn't. The dude was like, "Hey man, just bring it back. It's all good. Just bring me back the jewelry.
Just bring it back."
And he was like, nah. And that's why he went criminal though, which was crazy. Because it's a year ago.
That's 200. Yeah, that's 200.
I mean, that's $200,000.
Look at all these. That's $200,000.
That's $200,000.
And you wouldn't return it, so it's theft.
Like, I tried to give you a chance. So, like, you got a chance. Like, bling bling and blah blah.
You went out for New Year's Eve, did your thing.
Oh,
bring my shit back.
That shit would have been back on the 3rd. He wouldn't even have to call me because you know you ain't got the money. You don't write a $200,000.
But so he claims, Mayweather thinks, so the $175 million, remember his financial advisor, he claimed that he took money from the account. That's why he didn't have money in the account to pay for
And that's fine.
But then return the shit
Return the shit because it's not yours. I understand. If your financial advisor was raping you and stealing your money, as soon as you realize you ain't got no money,
stop buying shit.
Or when they call you up and say that when I call you up and tell you that this check has bounced, you either need to run the check again. I'm going to transfer some money from another account, or just return it.
But my thing is, how you that much money? You writing a live check,
and
why look like a wire transfer?
Why are you doing check?
The only reason
like a wire transfer,
and that's the reason why I think he knew he had the money. That's why I said he knew.
Because I'm thinking a wire, like that high end amount of money when you just do a wire transfer.
Why I thought, or why I think he knew he didn't have it.
Mm-hmm.
Because when niggas used to kite checks back in the day, they would write it because they get paid on Friday or something.
Right, and I know it ain't gonna
hit for 2 days, but I know I ain't got it. When you writing checks nowadays, You either just super old school, and I feel like Mayweather don't always write checks, so I'm not gonna. I feel like that was a move he did
to try to get this shit,
and they trusted him because he was Mayweather,
right?
And it's in Vegas. He lived there. He's like, oh, he lives. I know where he lives. At. But I'm saying, but $200,000 and you wrote a check. You couldn't just run your debit card. I'm just saying, like, if I got it in my account, just run my card.
One for that, I'm gonna get some cash back or something. I'm running the credit card. If I'm Mayweather, he's got to have an American Express or something.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Like, I'm not spending my cash on that.
Why are you writing a check?
Because he knew he didn't have it.
So
he had to know.
So you said the point is that he did not have this money.
Yeah,
I'm not going to write a check
because I know he's got a black card that's unlimited that he can just.
I haven't written a check. I have not.
I don't need even 10 years ago. And I started my account. I didn't even get checks. And it was 10 years.
We are very regular in the big scheme of life compared to the niggas we be talking about. Like, no, I'm not. I mean,
or even I'm gonna take a step further. Sleepy, since you work at the bank, a cashier's check at least. Then, if I do want to, I would get a cashier's check, right?
Because that's at least insured,
right? And I know, and the money is on it. It's like when you buy your crib, you can't come in a regular check. You got to have a cashier's check when you buy your house.
Anytime I'm spending some real money on something, if I'm not using the card, I'm taking a cashier's check.
Okay,
because
there's a receipt.
Or if that check is lost, damaged, or whatever, it's insured. I can get my money back.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I'm not carrying that much cash around ever. I'm not. Niggas be like, I got 20 bands on me. Never. The fuck? The fuck?
I mean, Mayweather rock around $1 million.
No. I'm saying I'm just saying niggas be like, I'm walking around with 10 bands, 20 bands.
Where?
I'm too old for that. And if a nigga robbed me for 20 bands, oh nigga, I'm down bad. You robbed me for
like 1,000 from me. I'm down bad.
No, I'm just saying. You robbed me for 20 bands. Oh nigga. It's lawless out here. I'm a stick-up kid now.
It's lawless. They done made you into a criminal. They done took so much money from you. They made you into a criminal.
What's the dude?
I'm a middle-aged stick-up kid.
What's his name?
I'm
Omar. You Omar?
Because I ain't got
Omar coming.
I ain't got shit to live.
Sleepy coming.
My daughter's fucking tuition for school was like $31,000. If you fucking robbed me for $20,000, Daryl and Arliss. Oh my god!
Think about this jeweler is $200.
Exactly. Oh, I would have paid the mob or something. We getting that back.
Everybody gonna get it.
You know how OJ got this shit back? You know how OJ got this shit back?
What they say? Get it back in blood.
We breaking in the compound, nigga. You know how they broke in? You seen Scarface? Mm-hmm. How they broke in his shit? I ain't trying to kill you. I just want my shit back.
Just give me my shit.
$200,000 is crazy, dog. I don't write checks. All my shit is either coming out directly or I'm swiping the card. Like I don't even pay. Like all my bills are on, and it sounds like a flex, but it's not. My shit's on auto pay because I forget to pay some shit. Yep, I can easily forget to pay it. Yep. Life is stressful. I got a 10-year-old. Like my job be pissing me off sometimes, but I think most jobs do.
Thanks for reminding me.
See,
my T-Mobile.
See.
I gotta pay my T-Mobile.
And this fool out here kiting $200,000 checks.
Dog, $200,000. I'm not writing a check for $60 because. The way
remember them Sultans over in Dubai was holding him?
Dog.
Because he owed them like $3 million or something. He had to get that, they had to wire him money.
I get mad when my shit pending for too long. If I swipe my card and this shit pending for 3 days, I'm like, go ahead and take this shit.
Somebody get it now.
Because
it's like fuck off my
don't fucking trick me. Yeah. Like I still got this.
Because especially if you just
I heard banks be doing it, like they'll wait until
it's not the bank. It's the vendor. They will wait to run all their credit card transactions at one time because they get charged fees if they do it.
They just want to do it at one time, and
they batch it all together. So it's not the bank that's ever doing it. It's where you swiped your card that's doing it.
But that's why I'll just sit on pending for.
Yeah, that's why it sits on pending until they batch it. So let's clear that up right there. The bank would prefer for you to put your PIN number in, so the money just gone. If you do a PIN, it's gone instantly. If you run something credit or if it's a credit transaction, unless it's a weekend, because weekends count as Monday, so they don't post till Tuesday. But if you go to a hood spot or a Jamaican spot or some shit like that, or a Chinese spot and use a card, one, they're going to charge you all kind of extra fees for that shit. But that shit might be sitting there for 3 days.
Damn.
Because they charge a processing fee because they get charged to process the payments. That's why they prefer cash.
Makes sense.
So it's not the bank holding your shit.
Done.
Oh, you paid it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, I don't want to be like Mayweather.
I would forgot.
Nigga, I'm about to. My bills are due on like my pay period felt weird. I don't get paid again to the 3rd, so that's kind of like a free check because all my shit due on the 1st. So I had to pay I've paid my bills already. I had to pay when I got paid. I said, you know what? So these white people ain't tripping with me. Let me pay all these motherfuckers right now.
Can you answer this question for me? I know this is totally off subject. Yeah. Why do a lot of places that take bills want you to do auto pay and they'll give you like a discount for auto pay compared to?
They know they get their money. If they got to depend on your ass to remember that shit, or you got to make a decision, you may have to make a decision. I've made a decision before. I've had to make a decision. Who am I going to pay today? Not in recent times, thankfully. But I've been there where it's like, oh, I got paid today, but I get some more money on Friday. You got to have multiple streams of income. So I'm like, oh, I get paid again on Wednesday. I ain't going to pay them today.
Gotcha.
I'm going to just pay. I got to pay this. I got to have somewhere to live. I got to have food. Like, I got to pay this.
And whatever happened to free checking? No, we need to go there. I'm just talking.
Free checking? So you need to keep a certain amount of money in your account and it's free.
Gotcha.
For most banks. If you just, or you have a direct deposit set up.
So are we looking at Mayweather being like just
when you started taking random fights and shit again, I knew something was going on.
Like going around fighting in Japan and shit randomly.
When you just started doing this random shit, I was like, oh, something.
Yeah, money's an issue.
But I said if I was a young rapper, I would have made it 3 years. And I'd have been dead. I'd have just died before I got broke. I'd have just been doing
you'd have died rich.
I'd have just been doing crazy shit. Like fuck it. Cause I can't just go from being up here to fucking working at TJ Maxx. Like it ain't gonna work for me. Like,
no, I think Mayweather would.
No, I mean the Mayweather won't.
He would fight until he's
Mayweather gonna have to. I mean, you either gonna be like Magic Johnson and Shaq and them and have a bunch of business so you always generate money, or you just gonna spend your money up. And I hate that Mayweather, but I can't judge him because nigga, you remember our first jobs, Darryl? We was doing dumb shit. My first real fucking job, nigga. If I could go back and get some of that money back, I was doing. Nigga, we was just buying.
What was your first job?
I was working for a brown shoe company.
For your first
real job. Like my first.
Like after high school, what was your first job?
I don't count them as real jobs. I'm talking about my first real job.
When I'm getting like a real check. I got insurance and shit.
Yeah. I mean, my first job after high school was I worked on campus at college.
My first real job, I was working at Northwest Plaza and one of them voice stream like
kiosks.
Yep. Yeah. Selling phones.
So I worked at
voice stream became T-Mobile.
Yeah. I worked at fucking Blockbuster. I was the manager there. But shit, nigga,
I love that shit.
I worked at Dillard's because I worked at Dillard's because of my last name. And that shit was trash because white people, are you related? Bitch, would I be folding fucking polo sweaters if I was related to the fucking owner? The fuck? Why you asking me this dumb shit? Like, no, white people would be like, oh, you're one of the Dillards. You know them fuckers is white. Why are you playing with me? You know them white people is white. Like,
that's funny.
Hey, I worked at Lord and Taylor too.
I didn't work. The only retail I ever really did was I worked at Mervyn's, California.
Clip you just saw, please tap in and check out Just Posted. We just kicking, talking that good shit, and we fuck with y'all, man. Y'all be easy.